When we first reviewed the Renault Captur, we only got to drive the diesel version. Nonetheless, we were quite impressed by it. The crossover-like SUV came with a bold and stylish design, a bunch of segment-first features, and a very capable engine borrowed from the Duster. Now we have finally managed to get our hands on the petrol version as well. And we have a lot of things to talk about it. So let's get started.
Yes, we finally get a chance to test the petrol version of the very stylish and premium Renault Captur. This beautiful red and white RXT variant shares its features list with the diesel counterpart, while the mechanicals come from the Duster Petrol. And we are here to tell you more about them.
Visually, there is no mentionable difference between the petrol and diesel version of the Captur. Not even an engine badging. The Captur we drove came with a new, recently introduced dual-toned radiant red color with marble ivory roof with the blacked out B and C pillar. In fact, exterior features like the swept back projector headlamps, the C-shaped LED daytime running lamps, the large grille, the stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, and the LED tail lamps all remain identical to the diesel model. Overall, the Captur is a very good looking car, and its crossover-like design truly helps it stand out in a segment that has only seen butch and boxy SUVs. We said it before and we are saying it again, the cabin of the Captur is truly a nice place to be in. The car comes with dual-tone black and ivory interior, while the dashboard features body-colored bezels for the aircon vents and the center display area, which in this case is red. At the center we have a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is quite nice to use, but like the diesel model, it still doesn't get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. What it does offer is automatic climate control, cooled glove box, electrically operable ORVMs, along with standard safety features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD and brake assist, and driver seatbelt reminder.
Unlike the white and gold interior of the diesel-powered Platin variant we drove in 2017, this particular RXT trim gets black and ivory treatment with matching black fabric upholstery and white accents. Furthermore, we also get rear AC vents, the center armrest, and a power socket at the back here.
Under the hood, the Captur Petrol gets the same tried and tested 1.5 litre H4K petrol engine that powers the Duster SUV. The engine is tuned to offer 105 brake horsepower at 5,600 RPM and develops a peak torque of 142 Nm between 2,200 and 4,000 RPM. The 5-speed manual gearbox that comes mated to the engine is also quite a treat. The gear shifts are smooth and each one of them fell in the right slot without any fuss. The motor itself feels quite peppy, offering smooth and linear power delivery with good low and mid-range performance. The suspension is set a bit on the softer side, allowing the car to tackle the undulations on the road pretty nicely. And the NVH levels of the Captur are also very much in control. Priced at 9,99,000 rupees to 11,45,000 rupees, the Captur Petrol is very much in the same price range as its key rival, the Hyundai Creta. With a bunch of standard safety features and premium creature comforts on offer, the Captur Petrol does make a strong case for itself. So, if you are out looking to buy a petrol SUV and do not mind going for something not too mainstream, yet capable and feature-packed, the Captur is definitely worth considering.